Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Beautiful Scout to show you today on brokerage. This one is a 2022 Scout 240 Dorado in absolutely beautiful condition. It's got a shark gray hull color. It's the full hull color. There's no bottom paint. It's been lift capped and now dry stored by its original owner. As you can see, it's powered by the 300 Mercury Verado, the V8 with the Scout cream color matched. To match the shark gray hull, we've got the Grigio interior package. It's got the fiberglass hardtop, stainless steel anchor windlass, bow seating area. See, really nice looking windshield. Step in here onto the swim platform. You can see just how much room there is to walk through. You've got your 3-step boarding ladder as well as your transom walk-through door on the starboard side. Stepping into the cockpit. Very well appointed boat. Very good use of space as well. You can see in some of the photos that you've got a aft fold-out bench seat as well as the port side fold-out bench seat. And this port side can act as a footrest for this port side lounger that the backrest moves forward to create mezzanine seating all along the port side. You've also got a nice table here. Cocktail hour, hors d'oeuvres, or just a couple snacks. Mirrored to that, on the starboard side, you've got a little wet bar with your freshwater sink. Pull out 35 quart Yeti cooler. You can see there's upholstery and stainless hardware throughout the boat. Bolsters. Boat's in great shape. It's been very well cared for. Moving up to the dash, you see flush mounted Garmin unit. You've got the NEMA backbone built in, so you've got all of your engine information here as well. You can configure that however you'd like. This engine has about 112 hours on it. It was just serviced. You've also got your Mercury Vessel View down here. You've got LED indicated Lenco trim tabs. You've got light switches, removable Scout light switch there, fusion head unit, and then controls for the windlass here. And then inside the glove box, you've got the USB port. Edson steering wheel, tilting helm with the easy docking knob. Electronic shift and throttle with the push to start Mercury binnacle. Very nice, very comfortable helm. Again, that Grigio interior just looks so nice. Pairs very well with the shark gray hull. Moving forward into the bow area, see more comfortable seating. You've got JL audio speakers built in. You've got cup holders, freshwater intake, low profile stainless railings, controls for your windlass, access to your windlass. You've also got cup holder, rod holder combos, as well as your pump out. Underneath, you've got insulated storage, the 2 quick connect hose adapters for the transom area, built-in battery charger on this boat to make sure whenever you return to it, it's good to go. Not only does it have the door that latches, but you can also close the windshield, so you can see in some of the photos, to protect yourself from inclement weather. Back side of this, you've got access to your distribution panel. You got some of the plumbing, battery switch down below, as well as access to the back of the dash, your GPS and Helm. Along the port side, got a very nice head area, freshwater sink, marine head with the holding tank. You've also got your bucket with cleaning supplies, just stored down there. Quick look into the builds just to show you how clean this boat is. Got a couple dirt marks from our feet. A little wet today, but this boat has been ceramic coated. It's absolutely gorgeous. Access to your through hulls for your live well here on the port corner. You've got raw water washdown for the quick connect hose that I showed you in the bow. Absolutely beautiful. Got rod holders, cup holders, cushions, storage, creature comfort amenities, enough to keep everybody happy for a long day on the water. Whether you're going out to the sandbar, going fishing, or cruising for an overnight stay somewhere down the waterway, this boat will get you there comfortably and in style. Beautiful boat, shows very well. It's been extremely well cared for. Available for immediate delivery. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, you can call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Once again, I'm standing on this remarkable 2022 Scout 240 Dorado, listed here at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach with Pat Wilkins. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.